Hi guys, my name is Alek, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add featured images or post thumbnails in WordPress. Right now I'm on my blog page at my website alekonline.com, where you can see 3 published posts with a featured image or post thumbnail and one without it. The reason for this is that I didn't add a featured image when I published this post, and to show you how to do it for your blog posts. To add a featured image, I will open this post and select Edit Post. The post block editor will open, and if you scroll down, you will see this featured image section in the right hand column. To add the image, click here where it says Set Featured Image to open the media library. You can upload the image by selecting the upload files from your PC or laptop, or use an image that is already uploaded to your WordPress website. I will select this uploaded image, and remember to add alt text and change the title for better search engine optimization before clicking the Set Featured Image button. The featured image is set, and I will click Update to save the changes. If I return to my blog page, the fourth post will have its own featured image. And that's all for this tutorial. Now you know how to add featured images or post thumbnails in WordPress. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.